It's now my honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 4S Advance Investors Meetup 2024. As we embark on this journey of exploration and collaboration, I am filled with a sense of anticipation, that excitement for the insightful discussion and meaningful connection that await us. Our event schedule is designed to provide a comprehensive platform for dialogue, engagement, and we will also be treated to keynote speech by Jahangir Alam, Chairman of Deshone Apparels Ltd and Retired Director of Bangladesh Bank. He will offer invaluable insights of the industry. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., we will delve into two panel discussions, one focusing on startups and the other on industrial perspectives. We are privileged to have esteemed panelists representing a diverse range of backgrounds and expertise, ensuring a rich and enlivening exchange of ideas. Following this, we will have a question and answer session with the audience, providing an opportunity for direct engagement and interaction. Our special guest speech session, scheduled from 8:10 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., will feature distinguished individuals from various sectors sharing their perspectives and experiences. In this session, we will get some guideline and update information from Bangladesh Bank. We will see two amazing projects to invest in footwear and leather goods industry. One is Bangladesh Shoe City, Gazipur, and another one is SEBL Industrial Park, Rajbari. Both zones is perfect fit for integrated footwear and leather goods industry, including forward and backward linkage industry. Later on, at the end of the session, we will listen about the prospect and plan of SME industry in the roadmap of changing Bangladesh into new horizon by small steps at a time. Then there will be a video presentation from our esteemed sponsors, whose support and partnerships are invaluable to the success of this event. Finally, we will conclude the evening with a delightful buffet dinner, providing a relaxed setting for informal networking and further discussion. As we bid farewell, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors. The title sponsor is 4S Advance Technologies Limited. Our VIP sponsor is T for Travel. Gold sponsor, Confidence International, SEBL Industrial Park. Silver sponsor, Bangladesh Shoe City and NS Construction. Bronze sponsor, The Opticals, Techno Apogee, KENC, Star Electronics, Rivery, Bridge Energy, Planning and Aid. Photography partner, Nigel Creative. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to partners, panelists, and attendees for their participation and contribution to this event. Together, let us make this Investors Meetup 2024 a resounding success. Thank you again, and let the discussion begin. Now I am honored to request Mr. Jahangir Alam, Chairman of Deshone Apparels Ltd and Retired Director of Bangladesh Bank, to deliver his keynote speech to set the tone of today's discussion. Please welcome Mr. Jahangir Alam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chair, Chief Guest, esteemed guest, distinguished stakeholders, and ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. It is a great pleasure and a change of purpose that I stand before you today at the 4S Advance Investors Meetup 2024. As we gather here to discuss and deliberate on the opportunity and critical issues facing Bangladesh manufacturing industry, our government deserves development in industrial sector which will bring bright future of our nation's economic landscape. Our government adopt friendly investment policy which is not only relevant but essential for the dynamic growth of our manufacturing sector. We aim to enhance business edge, draw attention on foreign direct investment, explore investment prospects in backward linkage, create new market, and provide guidance to propel the Bangladesh manufacturing industry forward. We have a lot of friendly scope in foreign direct investment. Foreign investors are free to make investment in Bangladesh in the industrial enterprises. And industrial venture may be set up joint collaboration with the local investor or may even be wholly owned by the foreign investor. They needed only registration from the concerned authority, that is BEBJA, BEJA, or High-Tech Park, etc., etc. And they easily make remittance to abroad. But we have some barrier in implement process. To achieve this ambitious goal, we must address several key challenges head-on. First, the foremost, we need to streamline our investment procedure, reducing processing time and enhancing efficiency. Interdepartmental communication and collaboration are crucial in this regard, as seamless information sharing can significantly expedite investment process. Moreover, we must prioritize the ease of doing business for foreign investors, offering simplified visa facilities and ensuring a smooth experience from arrival at the airport to port handling. Furthermore, to reduce import deficiency and strengthen our supply chain, we must focus on developing backward linkage industries with a special emphasis on integrating small and medium-sized enterprises into the ecosystem. By reducing lead times and building a robust supply chain, we can enhance our competitiveness in the global market and boost our export volumes. Exploring new market and actively participating in international fairs, perhaps even collectively from a Bangladesh pavilion, will be instrumental in attracting new buyers and expanding our export horizon. In essence, today's gathering serves as a platform of magnificent discussion, collaboration, and networking among investors, policymakers, and industry stakeholders. Our collective efforts will not only bring new investors to Bangladesh, but also foster an environment conducive to sustainable economic growth and development. Let us seize the opportunity to chart a course towards a brighter, more prosperous future for our manufacturing industry and our nation as a whole. Thank you all.